Hello again, my brilliant learners. It's always good to see you here, learning and growing with every word. Some words are strong, not because they're hard to say, but because they carry deep emotion. And today's word is one of those powerful ones. Today, we're going to learn the word hatred. So, what does hatred mean? Hatred is a very strong feeling of dislike or anger towards someone or something. It's the opposite of love, a heavy, negative emotion that can cause pain and division. People often feel hatred after being hurt, but it's a feeling we all need to understand and learn how to move past. Here are 5 example sentences to help you understand and remember the word hatred. He couldn't hide his hatred for the man who lied to him. Hatred between the two teens caused many problems. She spoke without hatred, even after what happened. The film showed how hatred can grow between neighbors. We must teach children love, not hatred. All right, now it is time for a short story. Just 10 sentences to help you remember hatred in context. When I was younger, I had a classmate who was always mean to me. He laughed at my clothes and called me names. My hatred disappeared, and we slowly became friends. So, that's the word hatred, a strong, painful feeling that we all feel sometimes. But remember, even hatred can fade when we choose to listen and understand. See you next time for another important word. Take care and keep learning.